Logan. So now I'm going to show you some basic product demonstrations and how they work better than regular cleaning supplies. First I'm going to start off with the basic Enviro cloth with the window cloth. And I have a piece of glass here that I sprayed some butter stuff on, smeared it all over. I'm going to have glass cleaner on one side with a paper towel. And I'm going to show you the difference then using that compared to the Enviro cloth with the window cloth. Okay? So here's what the window, trying to focus here, looks like. Okay, you see like the outsides of it before. Alright? I'm going to spray some glass cleaner with, the generic, lovely generic blue misty glass cleaner on one side, wipe it down, and let's see what happens. Okay, so switch hands here. Alright, so we got plenty of glass cleaner, paper towel. Okay, should get off all of the stuff. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks cleaner than this side with all the streaks, but you can still see some streaks on it. So let's get a closer look here. So this is where the greasy the buttery stuff is, and this is where the window cleaner is. Let's see. Oh, you can still see a fingerprint when I do that. See that? So that's not actually that clean. I'm trying to get a good shot here. So you can kind of see my fingerprints right here. That's with the glass cleaner. Okay? Now let's do this lovely streaky side with the Enviro cloth. Okay? So you gotta fold it up. So you want to get as much of the cloth touching the surface as possible. So you can want it like this. Okay? And I'm not going to clean the side the window cleaner did because I want to show you the difference. So we're going to wipe it all and then fold it again and just wipe it again. And then we're going to take our window cloth and get all that excess water from the Enviro cloth off. Okay. Alright. So that to me looks pretty good. You can see my reflection pretty good. Oh, there's those fingerprints. Okay, so let's see. You can see the difference. See my reflection, how it's very lovely. Alright. And then we go over here and you see all those streaks from the window cleaner. That's the side of the window cleaner, okay? You will not see any fingerprints. I'm touching the glass right now, and you will not see any, okay? See that? Go back over here, and you can still see some. That's the window cleaner. You did not see any over here. See that? Nothing. Okay? So now we got this messy stuff over here. I'm going to clean that up with my Enviro cloth. Okay. Now, you're going to see some stuff and be like, what is that? Well, the bottom of this is kind of dirty, so the stuff you see is from the bottom. I'm going to shine that up. Alright, so now let's take another look. So I got my reflection on this side, which is the first of the Enviro side, okay? And now all the way over. See absolutely no streaks, okay? That cleaned up what the glass cleaner couldn't. Okay, so let's go back to the same spot here where we had the fingerprints. See if we can find any. Trying to focus here. There we go. And see if we can see any fingerprints. Nothing. And still none over here. Alright, so that is how the window cloths and the Enviro cloths work so much better than your generic glass cleaner, even the name brand glass cleaner. It's not going to pick up everything. It's going to leave behind a residue. It's going to leave streaks. Yes, I probably could have gotten it off with another spray, really scrubbed it down. But I hope you notice that I used the same amount of time with the Enviro and the window cloth, and it did everything in the first try. And it even picked up what the glass cleaner couldn't. And it got rid of that residue. So now I won't have to clean my windows that often. And I would like to point out that I was going to show you on a window that is facing our dirt road. It's on a door, screen door in front of it. So when that dust blows in, it blows right into that window of that door. When I first cleaned it, it was so dirty. And honestly, it took me a couple times to rinse off my Enviro cloth a couple times. But I got it done, and I was going to show you on that window, and it's still clean. And I did that 3 months ago. So there's still cars that drive by. It still gets dust, but it doesn't attract that dust anymore. So it actually stays clean a lot longer, which is awesome. I hope this was very informative, and I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you see how wonderful the Norwex products are. Thanks.